So now if we compare the osmosis in the plant and animal cells, comparing and contrasting the movement of water by osmosis in plants and animal cells, cell membrane दोनों में होती है. Present in plant cells and present in animal cells made up of phospholipid bilayer, and both of them have cell membrane which is partly permeable. Plant cells have a cell wall composed of cellulose and is fully permeable. Animal cells mean the cell wall is absent. Osmosis of water into and out of the cell can occur in both plant cells and animal cells. लेकिन when the cell is placed in solution with lower water potential, plants और animals दोनों में फर्क है. ये हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? सोल्यूशन में लोअर वाटर पोटेंशियल है. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे व्हेन द सॉल्यूशन हैज अ हायर वाटर पोटेंशियल. क्या होगा? दोनों में वाटर ने लीव करना है, यहाँ भी लीव करेगा और यहाँ पे एंटर करेगा. अब हम दोनों में फर्क देखेंगे दैट व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ द वाटर लीविंग प्लांट सेल्स एंड एनिमल सेल्स, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ द वाटर एंड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल सेल्स. If we talk about water leaving, water leaves the cell through partially membrane, cell surface membrane by osmosis. Volume of the cell decreases, protoplast shrinks and pulls away from the cell wall, so the plant cell is plasmolized. But when we talk about animal cells, water leaves cell through the partially permeable cell surface membrane by osmosis. Volume of the cell decreases, the cell shrinks and shrivels up. यहाँ पे प्लाज्मोलाइज हो रहे हैं या प्रोटोप्लास्ट श्रिंक हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? द सेल shrinks and shrivels up. Now let's talk about when the water enters the plant and cell. Plant cells की बात करें, water enters the cell through the partially permeable cell surface membrane by osmosis. Volume of cell increases, protoplast expands, pushes against cell wall. The cell wall withstands the increased turgor pressure created. Turgor pressure increases until cell is rigid and firm. Turgidity is maintained and the cell is fully inflated. Animal cells में क्या होता है? Water again enters the cell surface. Osmosis ये हमें पता है. In animal cells, volume of the cell would increase, but as we know that animal cells do not have a cell wall to withstand that turgor pressure. अब आपको कोई pressure withstand नहीं कर सकता. So what would happen? The cell membrane would stretch because there is no cell wall present, and what would happen? The cell will burst. इसको हम cytolysis कहते हैं. Got it?
Yes, I got it.